committee, ICYA escorts, fully represented, women, chiefs, men are all together here in the river doing the boat regulatory ride. I think Lekbashe came first position, Agba came second position, and Levaje came third position. And the cabinet are going on with the consolidatory prize. Congratulations to all the clans. Thank you.